Doge Army, are you excited? We're about to take off. We're about to launch. Let's get it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch. Launch. Here we go. To the moon. Dogecoin to the moon. Woof, woof. Dogecoin to the moon. Here we go. Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trezor coming to you live from Asia, guys. Wow, we're going to be talking about, looks like Elon Musk is back again, back with the Doge, so that is positive news out there. And we're going to be talking about how some people think and how the technicals and some major analysts think that Dogecoin can get itself up to 50 cents out there. We're going to be talking about, of course, Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the repercussions of the crypto crash, the big flush out, and when are we going to have reversal? And is what's supposed to be October is turning into Stinktober out there when it comes to crypto, and this is like the third time in 10 years that we've seen a bad October. So does that mean that November is going to be crazy, insane in the membrane, or is it also going to be a Debbie Downer? Some people are starting to question what's going on with this bull run. Is it freaking over? But yeah, we're here to demystify that. I'll give you my opinion. Remember, and all this is financial advice. Just OG in-house, express my opinion. Not a licensed financial advisor. So we're going to keep crypto simple. We're going to keep crypto easy, and we're not going to try to give you some opioid out there. We're just going to give you it like I see it. Go back and watch all the other videos. We did talk about Dogecoin crash yesterday. As you can see that most of the cryptos were going down, down, and you can see it right here, guys. You can see it right here. You can see. Yeah, crypto yesterday really sucked, right? I mean, if you were into crypto, you thought, oh, what's going on? But we're seeing a little bit of recovery out there, not too much. We're like 1.49%. Remember, Bitcoin was at 121,000 only like 4 days ago. So we've kind of dropped almost 10K, right? We're seeing that XRP was pretty close to $3 as well. So yeah, when we see a lot of green, I'm still not convinced. I'm still not happy. We need to get back where we want pre-crash. So what's going on right now with the U.S. markets out there? Let's take a look what's going on. Yeah, the pre-markets are looking positive. Hopefully that's going to continue. Looks like we still got the China crisis happening. China green lights autonomous driving. Okay. Looks like we got a new contender to Elon Musk and Tesla out there. So the big thing to look at right now, we're seeing the market cap is up 2.13%, and that's at 3.83 trillion. But we still need to get our freaking selves above 4 trillion, right? I mean, we really need to do that. We absolutely need to freaking do that out there. So let's take a deep dive into market cap, see what's going on right now. So you can see fear and greed right now for all of crypto is 37. Altcoin season is 38. Remember, we got pretty close to 72 out there. It's not happening, right? So market cap, we saw this big dumpski in the market cap when the market cap went down to 369 trillion. So previous to that, we were up right here, 4.30 market cap. So we need to get going. We're seeing the crypto ETF net flow is positive, so that is pretty good. People are picking up the dip. Bitcoin dominance right now is 58.5. We're seeing Ethereum is 13 and others 28.5. So we're seeing, yeah, open interest is about 3.5 billion on futures. So people are still aping into futures, right? But we're seeing good ETF inflow, so that is pretty good. Market cycle indicators. Let's take a look at that. We've got market cycle. If we take a look at the Purell out there, also we're recovering, right? PR top indicator recovering. If we take a look at the rainbow chart right now is still a big buy zone out there. So that's what's going on. Let's take a look at what's going on with Dogecoin right now. Dogecoin is up 2.67%. It's at 20 cents at 29 cents, almost at $20, right? Go figure. If it's at $20, I wouldn't be doing this anymore. I'd be on a yacht somewhere, guys. Yada 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 out there, guys. Hopefully you smash the likes and showing some love out there. We did see in the last 24 hours, we did see that XRP did hit $2.54. It is down. It's at $2.49. It's down, down. But let's talk about what's going on. Let's talk about what's going on and what's causing all of this stuff happening. So from Kevin, he's saying yields continue to fall and are on the verge of falling further. Oil prices are at April lows and look like we will go even lower. Gold is rallying like it's 1970, like 1978. My wife bought a whole bunch of gold, and she's up like 50%. Oh my God! And the dollar is attempting to form a macro low. Only if this continues, then these movements are textbook warning signals of a potential future global economic slowdown and also deflationary, stagnationary effects, which is the opposite of inflation, right? So we got to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. I still think gold is a good safe haven. So this is what's going on. This is from Dan Crypto out there. Thank you, brother, for sharing this info out there. And this is BTC, how I see the current levels. This is how Dan sees the current levels. I agree with Dan. A lot of these horizontals have been getting respected quite well, with many large pivots and moves happening from these areas, okay? Below 107 would be good for the bulls, okay? Below 107 wouldn't be good for the bulls. So if we drop below 107, it's not good, right? It's bad. Currently trading near of the middle of it, all where a lot of price action has happened. Place over the past few months would
a few moments later
get optimistic about a new all-time high if the price can trade and hold above 117. So basically what he's saying, this is weak. This is not good for the bulls. We need to kind of stay between 112 117. This is going to be really choppy. If we can get above 117, this will signal a nice strong breakout, and it should be the beginnings of us getting back up there for Bitcoin. So we need to keep an eye on that. Right now, Bitcoin is trading. If you take a look at the chart right now, Bitcoin is trading at 112. So according to this, we're still in the chop zone. The chop zone, chop, Jackie Chan zone, pow, pow, poof. I got my Bitcoin shirt, guys. Comment what you think. I love the Bitcoin shirt. Don't forget, we're going to talk about Elon Musk is back in the fray for Dogecoin. Yeah, and 50-cent Dogecoin, plausible. I don't know, plausible denial, guys. And don't forget to smash the like, show that you're a human being, guys. And do not forget that we're trying to raise some funds for charity. Give super thanks down there. It looks like a heart mark. And share some love with the OG out there. I appreciate it. Not getting much love out there. A lot of cheapskates out there. So this is more from Dan Crypto Trades, a total crypto market cap. With the recent drop, the collective crypto market cap is back at its 2024 levels, 2024 highs, and needs to hold around this area. A drop back into this bigger range would make for a good look on the higher time frame. So this is the total market cap where we were last year, right? So we need to stay above that. Okay, these past few weeks were probably the least exciting price discovery phase we've seen within the crypto market. Yeah, it's crap, right? It's hellish. Technically, it's been grinding higher for several months and making new all-time highs every now and then. But this has been nowhere near the excitement and momentum in the market I used to see in previous cycles. Remember, previous cycles, like, it was crazy, right? It's just like a slow grind, ups and downs. You know, it's like we're not getting this, these volatilities, V-shaped recoveries. That's kind of over, right?
A few moments later.
We're not getting this, these volatilities, V-shaped recoveries. That's kind of over, right? This shows you how mature the market has become and that you need to be extra patient, be allocated in outperformance. So remember, the days of things suddenly going up thousands of percent in the top 10 cryptos, that's not going to happen. You need to be patient, guys. Let's take a look at what's going on with the BTC right now. As you guys can see, BTC is 112. We need to get ourselves back into these zones again. We need to stay above 111. So let's keep on keeping going. What's going on with XRP right now? XRP is also just trading sideways as well. Not much is going on. We have some resistance at 273. We got good support at 210. So hopefully that will hold out there. Where's my Doge? Where's my Doge? So, Bitcoin is following a well-known bullish fractal. We saw this in 2010's gold. We're seeing this in 2020s, and I think 2010's gold kind of went like this, and it looks like Bitcoin is following the same fractal. So if this freaking continues, we should see Bitcoin get itself back up to 180, 190,000. That could be the top of this fractal works out for Bitcoin. I hope it does. I mean, I'm still betting heavy on Bitcoin. Of course, betting heavy on my Doge. So let's take a look at what's going on with Doge. Doge is respecting the 20-cent level. El respective for the Doge right now. So what's going on? So in case you guys were living on a rock, the money, this is from Zero Hedge, and what he said, the money is not the problem. AI is the new global arms race, and CapEx will eventually be funded by governments, US and China. If you want to know why gold, silver, Bitcoin is soaring, it's the debasement to fund the AI arms race. But you can't print energy. And Elon Musk said, true. That's why Bitcoin based on energy, you can issue fake fiat currency, and every government in history has done so, but it's impossible to fake energy. And then, as you know, Doge, the Sir Dogecoin came out and said Doge is is also energy based. And Elon Musk basically chimed in, right? At 100%. So Elon Musk is back in the fray, right? Out there. So that is pretty good. And then we had Michael says the laws of nature are superior to the laws of man. So that is pretty good out there. So looks like there's some interest with the Doge. So that is positive out there. Let's take a listen to this. This is from some time ago. Let's take a listen. Remember, Elon Musk says that Doge would solve the issue of paying for articles and other service with X money, and X money launching in 2025. So I still think it's inevitable. I think that XRP will be the backbone, the train tracks, and Doge will be the train for payment. So let's listen to what Elon Musk has to say.
They are annoying everyone who's not going to be a subscriber. So there's got to be some way to solve that.
Sort of quarter.
Yeah, exactly. It's like,
the Twitter,
I'll pay 10 cents for this article or something.
Ooh,
Exactly.
I like that.
One Dogecoin for this article.
Yeah.
It should be like, I'll pay 10 cents for this article, whatever, 15 cents, 20 cents. It's like, fine. And that should work.
Music
Like, that's how it should work. They are annoying everyone.
So Elon Musk came out and said, this is some time ago, that Dogecoin would be used for payment. So guys, what do you think about that? Smash the like and show some love out there. We're also seeing that Dogecoin cultural momentum and technical breakouts. Dogecoin right now remains a cultural phenomenon driven by its meme-based appeal and community-driven narrative. Technical indicators suggest a potential 30 to 40% rally if this momentum returns, particularly as weekly charts show tightening Bollinger Bands. Precursor to breakouts. However, risk persists, whale selling, and negative futures funding rates have damped bullish sentiment. Despite volatility, Doge utility and microtransaction asset gaining traction, institutional investors are now picking up on Doge. So yeah, I still think Doge is geared to a breakout, but we are being held back because of the fact that the whole market is down. So here we go. Dogecoin price prediction. Doge price could top 50 cents in 2026 as investors call crypto since XRP. So Dogecoin price prediction, Doge crash and recovery. Okay, so this is Doge, right? Doge has suffered a dramatic crash and plunged from its 22 cents to around 11 cents before stabilizing near 19 and 20. That's where we are now. The crash wiped out billions in value and forced heavy liquidations. We talked like 20 billion in liquidations that we know about that was reported, but I think it's more like 50. Since then, Doge has regained strength with market bounce backs. It rallied 11% recently after dipping to about 14 cents. The broader crypto market is also recovering with Doge among the leaders backed by institutional flows. So we're seeing more institutional flows out there, and I think that Doge is definitely going to be happening soon. Sooner than later, we're going to see Doge go up. Pumpity pump pump. I think we're going to see 50 cents coming in. So some investors draw parallels between Remitix positioning and Doge. They see, okay, this is not about Doge, so who cares? Doge 50 cent target and Remitix rising roll. So Dogecoin's path to 50 cents depends on market sentiment, liquidity, and macro tailwinds. And I think it's going to happen. We're seeing more and more institutions aping in. We got ETFs for Doge. I think it's just a matter of time. Time, guys. So yeah, I still believe that we're going to see good things happening, great things happening for the Doge, just a matter of time. Let's see what your guru is saying about crypto right now. Keep on keeping on. Don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, YB. Justin, President Trump says BRICS was an attack on US dollar. We know that. Justin, Stripe adds crypto stablecoin payments for subscriptions. Nice. Justin, Fed Chair Powell says he will not comment on Bitcoin or gold. Okay, thank you. Nice. Justin, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink says, we believe we are just at the beginning of the tokenization of all assets. Justin, U.S. government seizes 15 billion worth of Bitcoin from pig butchering scam based in Cambodia. Nice. Thank you very much, you guys out there. Justin, President Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping scheduled meeting to discuss trade. Remember, this whole 100% tariffs was just making a threat. He's going to come to it's just a bargaining thing, right? Justin, Binance to distribute 300 million to users who are liquidated during the last market crash. Well, that's nice of them. Yeah, if Blowfin, if you're listening, I hope that you can do something as well, because I got wiped out. I got wiped out on Blowfin. You suck. You should give some back. Okay. Justin, Jim Cramer says he hopes money can be taken out of crypto and put into real economy and stocks. So, inverse Kramer, that means that more money is going to go into crypto, right? Because, whatever he says, the opposite is going to happen, right? He's a toad, right? He's a toad. Just as spot Bitcoin ETF trading volume surpasses 1 billion in the first 10 minutes of trading today. Nice. So, a lot of stuff is happening, right? Justin, this is an energy thing we talked about. So, some good news overall for crypto out there, guys. So, be blessed, be well. Hey, yeah, like Dogecoin is also based on energy, 100%. We love it. I love the Doge. We love everything. We love XRP out there, guys. Let's get it right now, guys. So it's a great time to be alive, guys. Don't forget to go follow me here. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Yeah, we're going to get back up there. Just be patient, guys. Don't panic. Say, remember, never sell. If you're at a loss, hold. My strategy is simple. Smash the like, subscribe. Super thanks. My strategy is very simple. I hold, sell when I'm 50%, when I'm 100% up, and I sell another 50% when I'm 200% up. It's easy. Sometimes it happens in a week, sometimes it happens in a month, some 6 months, a year, 2 years, whatever. You gotta wait, okay? Freaking wait, be patient. I'll see you in the freaking next one. Bitcoin, Dogecoin, to the moon. I'll see you. Peace out.